You're probably thinking, what the hell is he doing on the floor now? Right, the guys at HOTO just sent me this. This thing is a backup for tyre pressure when you're touring. It isn't a workshop replacement, it's more of a backup. It's absolutely tiny. Look at that in my hand. I haven't got big hands. It's minuscule. And on it, it has, pull it around that way. Pull it around that way and it turns on. Let's just show you. Let me get up. Let me show you. So that's the switch, on off. That turns it on. Dial in what you want. So you want, what do I want on the front here? 32, okay? And then you just hit go. And that is basically going. So in the interest of testing it, I'm going to let some air out of my tyre, which is a bit risky because I'm supposed to be going on a bike ride in a minute, and show you how it works and how it actually stops. But the size of it, it's just so light. It fits in my flipping pocket, look. Absolutely no problem. I've never seen one this small, to be honest. It's quite a revelation to rather than, if you're packing light, like I want to next time, all I want to do is take that, then this thing is going to be coming with me along with my puncture repair kit. I actually went to Switzerland this time without a bloody pump, can you believe? Had all the puncture repair kit, but no pump. Right, have a look. So currently that's reading 34, that's what the pressure is in the tyre. It's got a really good little, pointing in the wrong place, really good little grip here to put it on. I reckon you could probably use gloves to get that on with. Look at the size of that compared to the actual bike wheel, it's tiny. It's a bit thicker than a packet of cigarettes, but almost the same size as a packet of cigarettes. So you're on a track day, you've let the air out your tyre, you want to bring the pressures back up before you go home, just dial in what you want, out of the way, dial in what you want, and hit go. Not taking long, is it? And as you saw there, when it got to 34, it actually stopped straight away. I'm impressed by this little thing, I really am. And that's used none of the battery. So the battery's still at 100%. So there you go, guys. There you go. There you go, guys. Designed by HOTO. Tiny little thing. Link in the description. Get it on Amazon. 50 quid. Job's a good one.